Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at a smart cleaning solution designed to make floor care faster, easier, and more efficient: the Uwant Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner D100. This all-in-one vacuum mop combines powerful suction, wet and dry cleaning, self-cleaning technology, and a flexible lay-flat design into one modern cordless cleaner built for busy homes. The first thing that stands out is the powerful 18,000 PA suction performance. That's strong enough to handle dust, food crumbs, pet hair, spilled drinks, dirt, and even larger debris from hard floors and low carpets. Unlike traditional mops that simply spread dirty water around, the Uwant D100 vacuums and washes floors at the same time, helping save time during daily cleaning. One of the best features is the 180-degree lay-flat design. This allows the vacuum to glide under beds, sofas, tables, and furniture with ease. Dust and hair often collect in places most upright vacuums can't reach, but the D100's ultra-low profile helps clean those hidden areas without needing to move heavy furniture around. Another major highlight is the dual-edge cleaning system. Many vacuum mops leave dirt trapped along walls or corners, but this cleaner is designed to reach edges more effectively for a cleaner finish around baseboards and tight spaces. If you like spotless floor lines near walls, this feature makes a noticeable difference. Pet owners will also appreciate the anti-tangle brush system. Hair wrapping around rollers is one of the most frustrating cleaning problems, especially in homes with pets or long hair. The Uwant D100 reduces tangling to help maintain strong performance while minimizing maintenance time. The automatic self-cleaning function is another premium feature that makes this vacuum feel much smarter than traditional cleaners. After use, you place it on the charging dock and activate self-cleaning mode. The machine automatically rinses the brush roller and internal tubing, helping remove dirt buildup, bacteria, and odors. The anti-odor system also helps keep the vacuum smelling fresher between cleaning sessions. Battery life is designed for full home cleaning sessions, and the cordless design makes movement around the house smooth and convenient. Since there's no power cord dragging behind you, it's easier to clean kitchens, hallways, bedrooms, dining areas, and living rooms quickly. The clean water and dirty water tank separation system is another useful feature because it ensures you're always cleaning floors using fresh water. This gives a much more hygienic cleaning result compared to traditional mops. Overall, the Uwant Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner D100 delivers strong suction, smart self-cleaning technology, edge-to-edge cleaning, and flexible under-furniture reach in one sleek package. If you want an easier way to maintain hard floors and low carpets while reducing cleaning time, this vacuum mop combo is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description below to learn more about the Uwant D100 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner.